And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
And welcome back in, everyone. Here's the latest look at the severe weather threats that we can expect going into late this afternoon into tonight. Damaging wind gusts over 70 miles per hour is going to be the primary concern, followed by hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Now, tornadoes will also be a possibility, so that's something we'll need to watch for closely. But overall, this is mainly a wind and hail threat for us. I do have the damaging wind threat at a medium to high level, so keep that in mind. That 70+ mile per hour straight line winds are the most common severe weather concerns that we could see heading into the day today. By 2 o'clock this afternoon, here's what Futurecast has. Futurecast has some showers and thunderstorms developing across the area along and north of Interstate 20. Again, very crowded activity there. That would certainly be good news. That could help eliminate severe weather threat overall for us, so we'll hope that happens. But still, thunderstorms are expected to increase in coverage as we head into your Wednesday evening. By 5 o'clock, we can see a few showers and some heavier thunderstorms moving on through the area, and that will continue into the overnight hours. Now, as soon as the sun sets, the storms will start to form more into a line, and that's when the damaging straight line wind threat is really going to ramp up across the area. So just keep that in mind that this is mostly a nighttime threat for us. That's when the greatest chance of seeing severe weather will be. So have multiple ways of receiving weather alerts that can also wake you up in the middle of the night. By 11 o'clock at night, we're seeing the line of thunderstorms continuing to push through the area. The most intense storms overnight will be down into deep East Texas, and then Futurecast now brings the storms out of here by around 3 o'clock in the morning. So this latest Futurecast run is a little bit quicker with the storms than the this morning's Futurecast run, but overall I think the storms come to an end, at least the severe weather threat rather, comes to an end by around 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll be left with just some showers left over heading into the day on Thursday. In terms of the severe storm timeline, again, the main batch of storms will move in for our areas in that yellow gold color there between 7 p.m. and 2 o'clock in the morning, and then for deep East Texas in the purple area between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. that's when the bulk of the severe weather will be. Now, can't rule out isolated severe storms possible by the mid-afternoon hours, but that threat is pretty isolated, so the timing that you see on the screen there is for the bulk or the bulk of the severe weather threat for us moving on through. That's when the main event will be, to put it there a little better in wording there. For our Skyview camera brought to you by Cables Roofing of Tyler, we are seeing some clouds filling back in, but you can see the sunshine filtering through them. We definitely do not want sun because that will heat up the atmosphere even further and create more instability. But right now, dew points are still at 57, so you'll probably step outside and it doesn't really feel like a severe weather day because the humidity is low. But this humidity is going to be increasing quickly as we head throughout the day today. Temperatures right now are sitting out mainly in the 60s and still some 50s out there where the clouds are a bit thicker and the rain does continue. So overall, it is a cool late morning for us, but as we head into the afternoon, as the southeast winds continue to increase, we are going to warm things up to the middle and upper 70s out there, and it will start to get more humid as we head throughout the day today as well. For today, we are going to climb into the middle 70s, scattered thunderstorms, some of them severe, especially towards the evening hours, and then that takes us into the overnight hours where storms are likely. Some of them will be strong to severe overnight, especially down into deep East Texas as a line of thunderstorms is expected to move on through. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll see some showers lingering on into Thursday. We're dry for Friday, and then more showers return on Saturday. And then we're dry heading into next week as we finally see a stretch of spring-like weather. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for showers ending early Thursday, dry for Friday, and then more showers for Saturday. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is KETK.com.